Capture the world your way and take your photography to the next level with the versatile Nikon D5100. Thanks to Nikon's digital imaging expertise, you'll always capture beautifully detailed shots. Even if you shoot fast-moving subjects or in low light, the camera's high ISO will keep your images crisp and clear. Whatever you shoot, the 16.2 megapixel CMOS sensor delivers superb images that make great enlargements. The camera's D-movie function offers full high-definition movie recording. A dedicated movie record button makes it easy to switch between shooting stills and movies, and continuous autofocus ensures sharp shots of the action. You can attach Nikon's ME1 stereo microphone for stunning sound quality, and the built-in HDMI connector lets you enjoy your movies on an HD TV and control playback using your TV's remote. The high-resolution monitor swings out to make it easy to shoot from fresh new angles. And Live View displays focus adjustments in real time, whether you're shooting still images or full HD movies. Nikon's Special Effects mode lets you shoot using dramatic effects like color sketch. And you can preview your choice in real time on the LCD monitor. Shooting high-contrast scenes is easy thanks to the HDR setting, which takes one overexposed and one underexposed shot within a single shutter release, and then combines the two for stunningly detailed images. The D5100 is compatible with a wide range of Nikkor lenses that offer a host of ways to explore different perspectives. You can get in close with a macro, use Nikkor's 35mm lens in low light. Be prepared for anything with a versatile zoom and close in on distant subjects, or go wide with a telephoto zoom. You can capture better exposures and explore creative lighting with Nikon's external speedlight flash. And a remote shutter release is a great way to capture sharp close-ups and self-portraits. You can even record your shooting location using Nikon's GP1 GPS unit. Stimulate your creativity and capture the world your way with the Nikon D5100.